Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our Story double arch door. This door is a 72 by 96. It's measured from outside to outside. A lot of scroll work. It's got a nice kick plate on the bottom. Put my knee right here. It's about that high. This door is oil rub bronze. It's got Aquatex glass. Aquatex glass features, we have some videos on the different glasses, so you guys can check it out. So you see how much privacy you get from Aquatex glass. Super cool door. This door also comes in a flat top. It comes in a single door, single arch. We can even make it into a full arch if you like also. A lot of scroll work. People love this. We love it. I'm going to flip this around and show you guys the back end of this. All right, we're on the back side of the Story. I'm going to show you guys how the glass opens. And Dylan already knows this part because Dylan knows it all. He's at that age that he thinks he knows it all. So we're arguing while we're shooting this video right now. Untwist this knobs, flick it open, glass opens up. You can clean the scroll work and you can clean the glass. That makes it a lot easier to clean the door out. Also, screens are optional. You can have a custom made screen put in this if you do a custom door. This is oil rub bronze, and that's what the kick plate looks like from the back. So it's duplicated on front and back. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You can contact us at info@pinkysirondors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.